Mapping out your ultimate side hustle plan is essential for turning your dreams into reality. Let's dive straight into the steps that will set you on the path to success. First, grab your calendar. Blocking out time is crucial. Treat your side hustle like a job. Schedule specific hours each week, dedicated solely to your hustle. Whether it's early mornings or late nights, consistency is key. This is your time to focus, free from distractions. Next, clarify your primary goal. What do you want to achieve with your side hustle? Is it extra income, a creative outlet, or perhaps a pathway to full-time entrepreneurship? Write it down. Visualizing your goal helps keep you motivated and on track. Now, let's prep your growth move. This is where you strategize. Research your market, identify your target audience, and figure out what sets you apart. Create a plan that outlines the steps you need to take to reach your goal. This could involve developing a product, building a website, or even setting up social media accounts. Once you have your plan, it's time to implement a KPI tracker. Key performance indicators are your best friends in this journey. They help you measure your progress and keep you accountable. Track metrics like website traffic, sales, or social media engagement. This data will guide your decisions and help you adjust your strategies as needed. Finally, let's talk about reflection and adjustment. Every Sunday night, take a moment to review your week. What worked? What didn't? Reflecting on your progress allows you to celebrate your wins and learn from your setbacks. Adjust your plan accordingly. This is a continuous cycle of growth and improvement. Planning with intention is vital for side hustlers. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. By blocking out time, clarifying your goals, prepping your strategies, tracking your performance, and reflecting regularly, you'll create a solid foundation for your side hustle. Remember, every successful side hustle starts with a well-thought-out plan. So, take these steps, stay committed, and watch your side hustle flourish.